Right, welcome to the second lecture. In this lecture, we'll be seeing the definition of the term called agreement. In the earlier lecture, we have seen the definition of the contract where you have two terms. One is your agreement, and that agreement should be enforceable by law, which we call as the definition of the term contract. Now, coming to the agreement, we should know what is an agreement. Now, as per Indian Contract Act 1872, Section 2, Section E says that every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other. Now, you have to break the definition in a very simple term. Now, here I say that you have the three terms over here, right? So, one is your every promise, right? And it says every set of promises. Then, one more term that we can say is the term called consideration. Right? I will just put it a very simple example. Let us assume that there are two brothers and sisters, right? Say we have a sister called Leah and a brother called Ryan, right? So both are brothers and sisters. So Leah is more concerned with, let's assume that she is having a hobby of baking a cake, right? In similar way, if I say Ryan is more concerned with the gardening part. So he is a gardener. I can say his hobby is into more into gardening. Now, when we say every promise, so let us assume that Leah promises to Ryan, his brother. Okay, I'll put Leah as sister. Okay, and this is brother. Now, Leah promises to Ryan. What she promises that I will bake a cake for you, right? So Leah promises that she is going to bake a cake for Ryan. Now, Ryan also promises to water Leah's garden. Okay, the garden is of Leah, but Ryan says that I am a gardener. I will be watering your flowers. Right. So Ryan also promises that she will be watering the flower. Now, this is the simple promise which has been made between brother and a sister. Now, this can be taken as a simple definition of an agreement. So, how I will be breaking it? Now, we can say here that the Leah is promising to bake a cake for Ryan. So, it is a promise, right? Similar way, Ryan is also making a promise to water the flower of Leah's garden. So it is also a promise given by Ryan. Right. Then how comes this every set of promises? No, we can say every set of promises here includes promising of Leah. Leah is promising a cake. Right. Similar way, Ryan is promising for watering the flower. Now the promise becomes very large. So we can say this is every set of promise. Every promise is like one person, one party is promising to another party, and the second party is giving promises to first party. Right? This becomes the every set of promises. Then what is the consideration over here? Consideration is very simple. When we talk about consideration over here in this contract, we can say consideration within the contract is nothing but giving and receiving. Giving and receiving. So what is giving and receiving in this particular very in a simple agreement over here? So Leah is giving a promise for baking a cake for Ryan. In similar way, Ryan is also similar way in reciprocal we can say Leah is receiving of watering a flower by Ryan. So this is a very simple example. So here Leah's consideration to Ryan is cake. In similar way, Ryan's consideration to Leah in his service of watering the flower. So this can be taken as a simple agreement definition.